3 wet kittens. These are like somewhere between 4 and 5 week old kittens. We just got them. And so I had to give them a bath and they had lots of fleas. The only thing you can do for fleas at this age is give them, oh gosh, is that another one? Is give them, now I'm getting stuff out of her eyes. Because you don't really wash their face as well, because you don't want to get it in there. Oh. You can't give them anything prescription. At this age, it's very dangerous for them. It could kill them. This one's got a little white, I think. And they always shiver a little bit. They get really cold. But I live in Florida. The bathroom's really hot. Warmest place in the house. Your eyes are like swollen. What's wrong with your eyes? I don't like that. Let's see how that goes. Maybe the not having fleas will help. And keep them close together. They'll give each other warmth. They're on a heating pad thing, but it's not. It's like the igloo one, so I don't think it's very warm. I think it's supposed to feed off of the animal that's outside's heat. But obviously these kitties aren't giving enough heat. Yeah. Little redheads. And so love the orange kitties. They're all falling asleep. Giving a bath to kittens is tiring. And you gotta monitor them afterwards to make sure they get dry. And stay warm enough so they don't get sick. Yeah. Good job, you're gonna help your brother. It helps you get dry when you clean yourself. You guys are so loving. You were bottle fed by the person who found you. She did really good to you. Yeah. Okay, just tired. Yeah. Maybe I should brush you. Maybe that would help. Kitties like to be rubbed like right here. See? She like they push for it. To get a good little scratch. Yeah. There it is, the little nose scratch. A few minutes I'll put you in your bed, but then you're gonna go to the toilet and get litter all stuck to you. Gosh, why are your eyes so swollen? I gotta go look for some. What's that like? I gotta go look for some boy blankets slash winter blanket. What is on your chin? The heck is that? Ugh. Is that from all the fleas? Alright, we'll see you later.